When I was young, oftentimes we would be in charge of like peeling the greens, shelling the peas, and it was something we did as a family because you would do all of it, and we would need a lot to feed our family. So I love the idea of cooking with family. I love cooking with not only my son, but everyone else's kids, right? I think when we start them early enough, they develop a palate that allows them to try different things. But what I love to do is get them involved with things that maybe they wouldn't normally eat. So if your child's not a big on green vegetables, let them chop something, let them help stir. Oftentimes, it's an easier ask to eat it when they've made it themselves.
Watch the series now on KERA Passport. Support for the Great American Recipe comes from Visit Plano.